Loves value. I always say it. I mean, that's why I shop at QVC, right? Quality, value, convenience. So you're getting right here a set of 2 tops from Quacker Factory called the Satin and Sparkle. They are 3/4 sleeves, and I love that they have thoughtfully put these together. So guess what? Because they're all different, you can literally get all 3 sets and you have an entire wardrobe of tops that you will wash and wear for a lifetime. So I will show you your colors. So first and foremost, this lilac ice and black. I am obsessed with this lilac. It is gorgeous. Then we have pink and spearmint. Think of Wicked. I don't know. That's all I think of now. I think 100%. Of Wicked and I think of the Beverly Hills Hotel. I don't know. That's just what I think of. And then sky blue and light coral. A 677-829 double extra small to 5X. 26.5 to 32.5 inches. This just arrived this week, 1 order this year. Do not miss out on this because this is what you call smart shopping, because guess what? You break up the set. It's $36.50 for a top that is so beautiful. Go ahead.
I mean, the quality is just spectacular. Our sets of 2 have always been really popular, Melissa. And again, the team wowed me with this one. 60% cotton, 40% polyester, split V neckline, 3/4 length sleeves. You're getting the same silhouette on both tops. But then we're giving you 2 different colors, tonal rhinestones adorning the neckline. And I have never seen us do a satin ribbon around the entire neckline. It's not just on the V, it is all the way around, really beautifully finished. It feels soft on the body. You're seeing this on Tony and on Crystal. Crystal's 5'3" and wears the medium. Tony is 5'6" and wears the size medium as well. But you can see how that's fitting her, around the neckline, easing over the body, not too tight, not too loose. Oh, Tony's wearing those indigo floral dream jeans I told you about a little while ago. So you can go check those out on QVC.com. But, Melissa, I was by myself on Wednesday on QVC2, and I 100% said, you need this set.
Yep.
Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day, right? The spearmint and the pink. But also, if, and I confess that I still have yet to see Wicked.
So I may do tomorrow.
I'm sorry, I may do tomorrow.
You should do it. So I hadn't seen it either. Everybody thinks because I'm a professional singer, I ran and saw it. I'm like, I have a toddler. There's no running to the movies. We don't do those things anymore. So I waited till it came out. I have to tell you, my husband and I were glued to the TV. My husband has not stopped talking about it. It is unbelievable. The visuals, the costumes, of course, the voices of the 2 main characters. I mean,
they're amazing.
Amazing. Yeah. So it's a must-see. 100%. But I love that color combo just in general. I think it's so pretty. I had to put this on because I wanted to show everyone at home just, how the length works. I'm 5'1", wearing the double extra small. Gives you that nice coverage, nice side slit. So ease of movement if you're getting out of the car, if you're sitting, there's no pulling. So it's those little details, right, that you guys think of that says, you know what, we listen to you at home. We want to give you exactly what you need. And so this is the lilac ice, part of the lilac ice and black choice. Then you have the pink spearmint, again, that we were just talking about with that green. And then your sky blue and light coral. And I like that the kiss of sparkle is just right in the front because the back is just nice and clean. It's just it's a nice essential top, Angel, with a little flair. For $73, you're getting the 2 home. It's great.
I 100% agree. And these are the tops that become the workhorses in your wardrobe. This is that set of 2 that you will not pull out of your closet when the weather changes. Yeah. Because you can always wear 3/4 length sleeves no matter where you are all year long, whether you're layering or whether you're wearing them with capri pants.
Right.
Once the weather breaks to 60 degrees, I pull out the shorter pants and the flip-flops. Um, call me crazy,
You're not
but I
crazy.
do.
You are not
But I
crazy.
do.
You're amazing. You're a trendsetter.
Well, you're very kind. Thank you
Well,
so
you
much.
know.
But can you share your thoughts on the fabric on this? Because I can talk about this in my sleep, frankly, and I would love to hear your perspective on it.
Sure. So first off, I'm turning this inside out a bit so you can
Thank you.
see where those studs are, the sparkle. There's nothing against your skin. I mean, this is
Nope.
completely, absolutely flat. This is like, I'm surprised, is there modal in here? Because that's what it feels like. Like it feels
No.
uber breathable, very
Yep.
soft. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like I'm wearing a pajama. Like that's how
I love it.
comfortable this is. There's no fuss here. This is just such
No.
an easy top. I mean, I threw it on, like it's live TV, guys. It took me 2 seconds to throw it on, and I instantly have a whole different look with these dream jeans. You look put together and polished. It's a great combo for $73. If you break it up, it's $36.50 for a Quacker Factory top that you're gonna wear constantly. So we
Yes.
have for you the lilac, ice, and black. That's what you're seeing. Then the sky blue, light coral option. And then last is Pink Spearmint, extra, extra small to 5X, a 677829. Use Easy Pay, $18.25. That's all you're paying today with any major credit card or debit card at checkout. All right, so the top that I was